Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Matic video update for 16th August. And right now we are looking at Matic trying to print a little bit of a reversal pattern right now. So there could be a possibility that you're looking for Matic to probably make a little bit of a midweek reversal and try to go a little bit higher. Okay, so last time I talked about Matic trying to come a little bit down to 9128, and if it does actually come down to this level and bounce off that level, that could be amazing. Now keep in mind, as long as you're not coming below 8671, or let's just say 9029 and closing below 9029 cents, then there are possibilities to continue up to this target, which is going to be $1.2. Okay, so 25% is a move that is still pending for Matic, and it's possible to actually just go up there and actually bottom out from here, reverse from there. But I'm just saying that there could be a scenario that you still come down to this trend line and bounce off the trend line again and then move up higher. But you never know, you can actually reverse from this place and continue. If it does, amazing. If it does actually come down, be careful. Now there could be a little bit of 1 hour candlestick that I'm trying to recognize right here, and on the 1 hour time frame, it's like you're breaking this mini downtrend. You can see that. Okay, so that downtrend was there and you're breaking out of it, so that's actually a good sign right now that you can possibly just come a little bit lower, touch this trend line, then start to actually reverse from here. Now keep in mind, if you're looking for Matic to come down below 9311, the last week down here, then I'm pretty sure that's where you can actually find to go to the lowest part of that trend line that I've talked about. And that's pretty much it for this update on Matic. Hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.